Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share you on Excel tips that is called the hyperlink in Excel. As you can see here that I am already open a sheet that is called employee lookup, and here if you want to create a link with any text or image, that how we'll do it. At first I'm going to show you how a link can be added with any text. Like here I am adding a column, name is web page or website. Just example, any website. If you want to link with this keyword example, then how will link? Okay, you can go to insert and then click on hyperlink. There are several methods. You can also pop up this menu through clicking Ctrl plus K. Same, same way. Another way, uh, you can click on right button on your mouse, then here menu will open, then click on hyperlink. Same. So there are three methods you see right now. After appearing this menu, here you have to choose this option, existing file or web page, because we are linking to a web page so that you can navigate to another web page from this text. Just for example, http s dot bba lectures.com. So now it's okay. You can click on OK. As you can see, the color has changed, and it on background it's linked. So if you click on this example icon, then see what will happen. It's diverting you on another web page. So I put the link of this website to demonstrate you that how it's work in hyperlink. I'm closing it right now. So it is a text, and you see right now just how we can link with the text to another website. Now I'm going to show you that how will you link with image. uh, we are going to insert tab, then click on shape, and choose rectangular cycle. The thing that this is a image or a shape. Here you want to link, then the process is same. You can click on this hyperlink menu. Also you can click on right menu, then choose hyperlink. Also from keyboard you can use Ctrl plus K button. Here I am giving you another URL. Example, http youtube.com. You see that it's linked. Well, if you click on this image, then you will navigate to youtube.com homepage. So in this way it's work, then it's called that hyperlink. There is another way that I'm going to show you. Test cell reference. You have seen that how to link with an web page, but also you might be also needed that how to link inside Excel, inside, not on another page. you see that Adli M full tone. If you click on Adli M full tone, you will automatically go here. So how will you link? So at first you have to identify this reference, cell reference name. You see D5, this is the identification. D means column and 5 means row. So this is D5. D5, just for your information, D5. Okay, so you can create same, right button, then choose hyperlink, then you will choose here place in this document, place in this document, where cell reference sheet 2, and here you will type D5. Then see what will happen. Link done, and it's showing. If you click at the link Fulton, then you will move here. Again I'm choosing, I'm clicking here, I'm going here automatically. So this is the way of hyperlink inside the file. So you may also uh, be informed about the removing hyperlink. So it's very simple. Just right button click on here and choose this remove hyperlink. Also you can do this from your keyboard, Ctrl plus K, then click here remove hyperlink. So it's very easy. I am showing you that right now there is no link. Remove link has changed. Thank you guys to watch my video. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.